All right, so if you currently own Ethereum and you're not earning interest on it, then you're definitely missing out. So I'm going to be going over 3 different ways you're going to earn up to 6% interest just for holding your ETH on these apps and exchanges. And of course, before we get into this, if you guys could smash the like button on this video, I would definitely appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do that as well. Now I'm going to start things off here with BlockFi. I've been using these guys for like around 3 months. Now I don't have a ton of money in here, but that's really not the point. I just want to show you can earn up to 4.5% interest just for holding your Ethereum here. And the coolest part about all of this is that it's completely passive. And if you're holding, your ETH on another exchange that doesn't offer these interest payments, then I would consider, maybe moving some of it over, if not all of it over. Not financial advice. Okay. Anyways, here we go. You can see that, I basically own about $1,000 of Ethereum, almost 1,100. And, you can see the interest payments have been pretty small so far, but the more money you have, the more money you're going to make, right? That's just how it works. Now, I want to go over the interest rates a little bit here because they actually change by the tiers. So I believe it's 0 to 15 Ethereum is 4.5%. Then when you get anywhere from 15 to 1,000 ETH, wow, 1,000 ETH would be crazy. It's 2%. And then tier 3 is 0.5%. But these payments happen every single month. You can actually have them go back into your Ethereum account, kind of like a dividend payment, or you could have cash payments. Now, it is awesome. It's very easy to get started on BlockFi. And of course, if you want to get started on any of these exchanges, I'll have some bonus and sign up links as well in both the description and comments. Okay, now Coinbase. I had to pull up Coinbase because they do have staking for Ethereum, but it's only in certain regions. And unfortunately, where I live right now, they don't allow it. I don't know why that is. Hopefully it changes pretty soon. They also have a waiting list to get on this, and I actually joined the waiting list, but I haven't heard anything back. Anyways, they do allow up to 6%, which is, pretty darn good, honestly. Another thing to point out about Coinbase is that they're actually an investor in BlockFi. So I feel like if you can get Ethereum, the interest on here, wherever you're located, then I would obviously do it. But I'd also check out BlockFi as well because, they're 2 reputable companies, right? And you want to put your money somewhere reputable. Okay, and then the last one I'm going to go over here is going to be Crypto.com. Now, what's interesting about Crypto.com is that, obviously they're reputable too. They have a really nice layout for explaining the interest on here, so we're going to check it out. And the interest payments actually look pretty good. I have not put any Ethereum in here, so I haven't actually tried this out yet. But they've got a calculator, which is pretty nifty. So we're going to check it out, right? So I'm just going to load up Ethereum here. You could see that, if we got 5,000, it's like whatever, around $200 a year they pay. But let's just imagine we put $10,000 into Ethereum. That should change the payments, about what, like $550, something like that, which is pretty good. That's completely free money. They even do the rewards paid weekly, which is pretty cool. It says $10, and it's pretty cool. I would also just want to say, to kind of like finish this up, you got to understand that, you are going to get these payments, but at the same time, as long as Ethereum goes up in price, you also get the coin appreciation, which is going to make these interest payments even bigger over time. And that's pretty powerful. So like I said, if you have some Ethereum, maybe somewhere where it doesn't allow these interest payments, also known as like staking rewards, then I would consider, checking, out BlockFi, Crypto.com, or like I said, Coinbase, if you're, allowed for it in your region where you live. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you could smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. We'll see you in the next one.